it's incredibly common to accidentally eat bacteria, especially if you're eating with your hands or if somebody's been preparing your food with their hands that haven't been washed. So the liver, I told you this last session, but didn't go into any detail, is the site of antigen presentation. And this is basically what kicks off this whole immune response. So the liver's a site of antigen presentation. There are other sites as part of the immune system, and we'll learn about that when we cover disease in the next but one unit. But we're going to have a look now, a first look at this system in these specialized cells. So we've got these Kupffer cells. They're attached, they adhere to this endothelial walls surrounding this vein here or vessel here. Often the immune system cells, or usually I suppose the immune system cells, are circulating. So that means they're in the blood, they're floating around in the blood. So the white blood cells are circulating. Other parts of the immune system are circulating, things like platelets and red blood cells. So it's not often that we get immune cells that are attached or fixed, but these are. But they can still engulf and destroy all of these organisms that are coming along. So I'm just going to show you the process. I've just got to move a little block on my screen. It's one of the joys of Zoom, that is. So antigen presentation is what we're looking at. So what happens is antigens are presented to special white blood cells, and then this can kick off an immune response. So there's a couple of things we need to know there. What's an antigen? It's something that you might find on the surface of a pathogen. This is a little picture of a virus. You'd have been used to this picture when COVID was around. These little sticks that are sticking out here are specialized proteins, and there'll be proteins that we don't find in humans. They can get broken down into bits of proteins, and bits of proteins are called peptides. It's just what we call chopped up proteins, peptides.